Operational intelligence is a machine learning-driven advanced analytics solution designed to help IT operations teams deliver a phenomenal user experience, improve service quality, and drive operational efficiencies. To win in today's complex IT environments, IT teams need holistic, contextual intelligence promptly across domains. This solution not only brings together the alarms, metrics, logs, events, and very importantly, the relationship information for multiple monitored components across applications, infrastructure, and networks, it also applies analytics on top of that to derive insights. While these insights reduce noise drastically for the operators, these are also actionable, allowing the users to take actions such as assign a troubleshooter, create tickets, acknowledge an alarm, and send notifications. In this video, you will learn how, as an analyst, you can review the insights and take necessary actions both manually and by automating some of them. Let's navigate to the Alarm Analytics page of the Operational Intelligence platform. The Alarms page displays the service, anomaly, cluster, and raw alarms that are generated during the defined period. Now let's take a closer look into a payment service of an e-commerce application which is deteriorating. An algorithm has correlated the raw alerts, and according to the high probability root cause, it seems to be a memory usage issue. Consider you are responsible for the health of this payment service. Now when you need to constantly monitor specific services, you can create filters and save them, which will help you keep an eye on those easily. Let's see how you can do that. On the Alarm Analytics page, add the required filters. For example, here filters are added for payments service and for service alarm type. Then click Save Current Filter, specify a filter name, set it as the default, and then click Save. Now, this will be your default view on the landing page of Alarm Analytics. Further, if you switch between the filters, it's easy to navigate back using Saved Filters. Click Saved Filters, and then select the required filter from the menu. Next, let's explore how you can take actions based on the derived insights. Observe here the root cause of this alert indicates an infrastructure issue, and therefore you want to assign this to a user who is responsible for managing those resources. So click Assign. From the Alarm Management menu, click Assign To, and select the required user from the list. A message confirms successful assignment of the alarm. Similarly, you can acknowledge an alarm, and a message informs you of the status of every action. Now, the Operational Intelligence platform is integrated with Servicenow Instance, which is an out-of-the-box capability and will allow users to create tickets. To create a ticket, click Open Ticket. The system contacts the ticketing system and creates a ticket. Later, you can view or modify the ticket details. To do so, click on it. You will be prompted to log in to the Servicenow system. Note, once you log in, the system shows in context to that particular ticket in Servicenow. Here you can make necessary changes. Apart from these, you can also send an email notification. Say you want to inform the infrastructure team of the infrastructure issue, and you have the email configured with the appropriate recipients. Now, to send the notification to the infrastructure team, click Alarm Notification, and then on Email Recipients. Click on Infrastructure Team from the list, verify the auto message, and click Send to trigger the email message to all recipients. Note the predictions are also actionable, and you can perform similar actions from the Predictions page. To explore, click Predictive Insights. From here, you too can assign or acknowledge a ticket, create a ticket, or send email notifications. So far, you have explored the manual actions. However, at times it's more meaningful to set automatic actions. Let's see how you can configure policies to trigger ticketing and email notification automatically. Navigate to the Settings page, and click on the Notifications Channels tile. Note ServiceNow integration is available by default. Let's explore the Servicenow Setup. Observe the notification channel is linked with two policies. When the defined criteria of the policies are met, the policy triggers and a ticket gets created, and the ticket ID and URL appear back in the ticketing system. Scroll down to view the Send and Receive rules to view the configurations. Here you can set the options to get bi-directional updates. For example, when a ticket is closed, you can set the option of alerts getting cleared from the ticketing management system, and the action will trigger based on the defined polling interval, which is 5 minutes by default. Similarly, you can create your email notification channel. Observe there are 3 email notification channels configured. To create a new one, click Add Channel, and then click Email. Here you need to specify the channel name and recipients. You can add multiple recipients or add a distribution list as a recipient, then link it to policies. There is always a default policy associated with it. If you remove the default policy, the channel will be deactivated. However, once you link it up with a policy, it will start working. After entering all details, click Save. Now let's see how you can create policies. From the Settings page, click on the Policies tile. Observe there is a default policy which gets shipped with the product. It has filters of all alerts which are open, and when any channel is linked with this policy, it gets triggered. Users cannot delete or edit this policy. To create a new policy, click Add Policy. Specify the policy name and add the required filters. Once you select the filter attributes, it auto-populates the values. Link a notification channel, then click Save. Now, when any of these conditions are met, an email notification will be sent to the configured distribution list. In this way, you can set automatic actions for any alerts in the system. Thank you for watching this video. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.